Join me as I dive into the world of NFTs to see if they really can change my finances for the better. The concept of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, has taken the world by storm. You might have heard about people making thousands, even millions, from buying and selling these digital assets. But what exactly are NFTs, and why is it crucial to understand their impact on your personal finances? Simply put, NFTs are unique digital tokens that represent ownership of a specific item, whether it's a piece of art, a collectible, or even a piece of music. Their growing popularity has led to a surge in interest, with many investors looking to get in on the action. The NFT market is known for its uncertainty and volatility. Prices can skyrocket one day and plummet the next, leaving investors with significant financial challenges. Imagine investing a large sum of money into an NFT, only to see its value drop by 90% in a matter of weeks. It's essential to be aware of these risks and not get caught up in the hype. Many investors have lost substantial amounts of money due to the unpredictable nature of the market. This volatility can be attributed to various factors, including market sentiment, liquidity, and the lack of regulation. When it comes to NFTs, valuation is a complex issue. Unlike traditional assets, there's no clear-cut way to determine an NFT's worth. Some investors rely on the artist's reputation, while others look at the asset's rarity or historical sales data. The resale potential of an NFT is also a major consideration. Will the asset appreciate in value over time, or will it become virtually worthless? These uncertainties make it challenging to build a diversified investment portfolio. For instance, some NFTs have been known to sell for millions, while others have struggled to find buyers. NFTs can, however, offer a unique opportunity for diversification. By adding NFTs to your investment portfolio, you can potentially reduce your reliance on traditional assets and tap into new markets. But it's crucial to approach this with caution and thoroughly research the market before making any investment decisions. Understanding the underlying technology, the artist's reputation, and the asset's rarity can help you make more informed choices. Many investors have successfully used NFTs to diversify their portfolios and minimize risk. Let's take the example of a digital artist who sold an NFT for $100,000. The artist had a relatively unknown online presence, but the NFT's unique design and rarity sparked a bidding war among collectors. A year later, the NFT was resold for $500,000, netting the artist a significant profit. However, not all NFT investments have been successful. Another investor spent $200,000 on an NFT that had a brief moment of popularity but ultimately lost 90% of its value. These examples illustrate the potential for both significant gains and losses in the NFT market. In conclusion, NFTs can have a significant impact on your finances, but it's essential to approach this market with caution. Understanding the risks, complexities, and potential rewards is crucial to making informed investment decisions. By being aware of the challenges and opportunities, you can navigate the NFT market with confidence. If you've had any experiences with NFTs, good or bad, I'd love to hear about them in the comments. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more insights on managing your finances and making the most of your investments.